Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's lecture we will talk about some features of Python. Okay, so before starting the today's lecture, I would like to request from you all guys, make sure you share my videos with your friends who is already studying in college and preparing for the placement and all. Okay, so this video will help them to get placed in the companies. Okay, and it will also motivate me to make some more videos on these technologies and the trending technologies. So yeah, help my channel to grow more. So let's do not waste the time, let's just focus on the today's lecture. So like I told you, in this video we will talk about some features of Python. So in the first lecture, I hope you remember that I told you some features name like some general purpose and some high level, okay, and object oriented. Okay, so in today's lecture we will talk about these three features of Python, like what is general purpose, what is high level, and what is object oriented. Okay, so let's see the first one, general purpose. Okay, general purpose means Python is not limited for any one task. Okay, just remember, Python is not limited for any one task. We can do many things by using the Python. Okay, here we can write we can do many things by using Python. For example, we can build game application, we can also build desktop application, we can also build web application, we can also use for data analyzing purpose, we can also use for machine learning model, we can also use for data science as well, and many more things. Okay, so general purpose means it is not limited for one task. We can do the various things by using the Python, like we can use for game applications, we can also use to develop the desktop applications, we can also develop the web applications, we can also use for analyzing the data, we can also use in machine learning, we can also use for the data science purpose. Okay, so we can use Python for different things. Okay, so this is the general purpose. So let's talk about the high level. What is high level? Okay, so in high level we can say Python is basically designed for humans read and write purpose. Okay, means if you know the English language, so any person who knows the English, like how to write in English and how to talk in English, they can easily learn the Python programming language. Okay, because if you see the Python code, it is simple language, like anyone can read it and anyone can understand it. Okay, so I will show some code here. Like if you want to add two numbers, so let's say a is 2 and b is 3. Okay, and we have to add these two things, so we will write here a plus b. Okay, so these are the things that we can write in Python. So anyone here can understand this by reading this programming language, and we can also say by analyzing this code anyone can understand this. Like a is some variable, assigning value is 2 and b 3, and in the last we are adding these two variables and we are printing. Okay, so anyone can understand this, but here we can understand it in easily format, but computer is doing internally very complicated things. Very complicated things means like it is converting in machine code, and machine code is a low level language. So machine code, it will convert in zeros and ones format, means binary format, which is not readable by the humans. That is very complicated things. So these things are internally working in the Python. So we use high level language to give the instruction to computer. Okay, so this is the high level language, and the third features is object oriented. Okay, so let's see what is object oriented. Object oriented means which connect with the real world scenario. Okay, object oriented means which connects with the real world scenario. For example, here we have a car. Okay, like car have some properties. Okay, so what will be the properties of car? Okay, car have some brand name. Okay, car have some color. Okay, so these are the things that object oriented connects. Like in real world we have seen a car have some name, brand name, and car have some color. For example, here we can say we have a Honda car. Okay, Honda is a brand name and the color is black. Okay, so we have a Honda car. Okay, Honda is a brand name and the color is black. Okay, so these are the properties of the car. So object oriented means it connects with the real world scenario, and these things make more easier and manageable to reuse our code when we implement the complicated properties and all. When we start writing our code, you will be seeing like how the object oriented is using in our code. Okay, so that's it for the today. These are the features like general purpose, high level and object oriented. So I hope you understand these things, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the like button as well. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you.